Madison and welcome back to my channel, Mad Crafty. Today is National Unicorn Day, so I am bringing you a couple DIY home decor unicorn themed things, but the twist is that I got everything at the dollar store, so everything was super cheap. The only thing I did not get at the dollar store was the paint and watercolor that I used because I own paint and watercolor already, but if you don't, you can also get that at the Dollar Tree. I'm really excited about these, so let's get started.
First, we have a small white plastic trash bin that's pretty standard bedroom trash bin size. You want to peel off the sticker first. And then I have this great big wall sticker I found. They have these wall stickers in tons of designs, but this one was perfect for today's craft. Now, the sticker is bigger than the trash can, so I'm just sizing it up, making a mark, and then chopping it down. Doing this left me with some leftover sticker paper, which I will set aside for a different project. And you'll see that when you open it up, it has two sides to one big picture. Now I am simply peeling the first side off and carefully placing it on my trash bin. This was really easy to do and went on very smoothly. And then I'm just sticking the second side on. Then I found this furry craft wire that reminded me of a unicorn, and I'm going to attach it to the top. Just using some hot glue here, I'm gluing it down and also stuffing it under the trash can lip a little bit. You're gonna do that all the way around. And then at the end, snip the remainder off and put some more glue on right there. I'm just gonna stop here, but if you wanted to, you could add some furry trim to the bottom too. And that's a $3 unicorn trash bin for you. Next up, we have a frame. I actually have a whole video on frame design ideas if you want to check those out. So I'm using some white paint for my base. You only really need one coat of paint for this. And like I mentioned before, they do have acrylic paint at the Dollar Tree if you don't have any at home. And then once it's dry, I'm taking my watercolor paints, getting my brush really wet, and sort of putting down colorful blobs. I'm using all the colors because I want this to represent sort of a melting rainbow, which I think is very unicorn-like. You know, rainbows and unicorns kind of go hand in hand. Don't worry if you think it's too wet, that's okay, because it will all soak into the wood and end up looking something like this. Now I found these rub-on transfers at the Dollar Tree, and as you can see, we have two unicorns in there, so I'm just going to cut those out. And if you haven't used a rub-on transfer before, don't be intimidated, it's really easy. Once you cut your design out, you want to peel off the white backing and place the image down on your surface. And then take a popsicle stick or even something hard. You want to rub it down for a good couple minutes and then slowly peel it off to reveal the image. Now put your favorite photos in and place it on your desk or nightstand for another little classy unicorn look. And that is a $2 craft if you already have paints at home. Next up, we've got these three little wooden crates, and we're going to make a cute shelf. So first, I'm using my paint to paint the inside of each crate. You could also paint the outside too. And then I'm just taking some glue and putting them together, and then you're gonna set that aside to dry. While that is drying, I'm using this unicorn headband I got, and I'm just going to take out the plastic headband part. However you want to do that is fine. It's kind of cheap material, so it shouldn't be hard. You want to cut the ears and the horn out. And then I am simply hot gluing them to the top of my shelf. And now I'm just going to take a Sharpie to draw on some eyes, but you could use paper or even felt for this if you wanted them to be bolder. And here is my unicorn mini shelf. I spent $4 on this one. Okay, next up you're going to buy a mason jar with a top. Also grab some of your favorite candy. Mine happens to be very colorful, which works perfect for this. Go ahead and stuff your jar up with all that sugary, sweet goodness. And now, if you clicked on this video, I'm going to assume you love unicorns and quite possibly you have some unicorn stickers already. So I'm going into my sticker box here and pulling one out, sticking it on my mason jar, and now I have a cute candy stash for my nightstand. This was a $4 craft for me. Now we have an 8-inch wreath form. You can do this with a bigger wreath as well. Doesn't really matter, but I think the small ones are cute for a bedroom door. I grabbed 3 sets of fake flowers here and also some ribbon. First, you want to use that ribbon to cover the whole wreath. I'm kind of using a little bit of hot glue at the end to secure the piece down right there. And now you just easily pop the flowers off the stem. It's really kind of fun. Yay, pretty flowers. Now I am applying hot glue to the green part and sticking my flower down. When I make wreaths, I always try and put the same flower on the opposite side. So I'll put one down right across from the other and keep going in different spots until the whole thing is filled up. Now I just take some white paper and I'm going to draw a unicorn ear, then fold that paper in half, cut your ears out, easily glue those in wherever you see fit, and then I'm using the rest of the paper here and rolling it up into a cone. I would normally use glitter paper for this, but they did not have that at the Dollar Tree. Glue that cone in wherever you want, and now you have a classy white unicorn wreath for your door. This was $5 for me. And now finally I got this wood heart at the Dollar Tree as well, and I just used the leftover giant sticker on it and put some other unicorns I had on it, and it's just kind of a cute heart to hang wherever you want.
Okay, that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, I would love if you could give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel to see more fun content. You can find me on Pinterest, TikTok, and Instagram at Mad Crafty, so let's be internet friends. And I will see you next time. Bye. Unicorns are not just for kids. Unicorns are for everyone, just like Disney is for everyone, right? The frame was my favorite, but I would actually make some of the stuff for myself. Maybe not the trash can. The trash can actually reminds me of like a Lisa Frank thing, which is coming back. I don't know.